2022 has been a great year here at HGreg Lux so far. We've been to some amazing events and have added some iconic cars to our inventory. Let's dive right in and show you what life at Lux has been like for the last couple of months. Some of our most prized inventory additions this year include the 2019 Bugatti Chiron 110th Anniversary Edition, a 2021 Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster, a 2020 Ferrari 488 Pista Spider, and 2015 LaFerrari, just to name a few. Now let's talk about events. The supercar events in South Florida are filled with the hottest cars to be seen. We kicked off this year with Supercar Week in West Palm Beach, followed by the inaugural Motorcar Cavalcade in Aventura, and last month we were at the Gumball 3000 Rally Finale. Aside from the fun events, we've hosted a few rally kickoff events right here at Lux. Stay tuned with HGreg Lux. There's lots coming. And make sure to follow us on our social media channels.